a shepherd boy. You all know who is shepherd?
Yeah.
His job is to take care of sheep. Okay? Once upon a time, there was a beautiful village. There was a naughty kid. He is taking care of the sheep. He is a shepherd boy. What is his job? He was taking all the sheep near the mountain. He was helping all the sheep to graze the grass. So like every day, he was taking all the sheep near the mountain and he was helping all the sheep to eat the grass. But one day he thought like, what I am doing? I am helping all the sheep, taking every day near the mountain, so boring. So he thought a plan, let's do some fun. So the other day, he took all the sheep near the mountain and what he did, he had a plan, like we call all the villagers over here and we'll make a fun of villagers. So he had a plan like, I will do prank on villagers and I call simply a wool. So the other day, he took all the sheep near the mountain and he started shouting, wool. Somebody please come. Here is a wool. Then all the villagers listened his crying and they rushed towards the mountain. So all villagers asked, where is the wool? But the shepherd boy told, there is no wool. I was getting so bored of my routine work. So I thought I would make fun of all. Then the villagers were so sad and at the same time they felt so angry. But this naughty kid didn't stop. He repeated couple of times. He was telling one and should not make a fun of anyone. Okay? Did you like all the story? Thank you.
Lived in a forest. Okay? Every day they used to graze together. You know the meaning of grazing?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the meaning? They are eating grass together. Okay? So they are eating grass or grazing on a particular place in a forest. Okay? One day a lion saw them and he wanted to eat them. Okay? So he go to the cows and he tried to attack them. But cows are very angry to see that lion came to kill us. So they fight with the lion. They get a fight with lion and the lion had to pass. The cows had a fight. Okay, they fought with each other, and then they go for grazing on different places. Okay, they are not eating grass at the same place. And the lion saw that the cows are eating grass on different places. So each cow is on other place. So the lion take the opportunity and he killed cows one by one. So the story is finished. All cows are killed by lion. So what is the moral of the story? If we are not united, anybody can come and hurt us. Okay? Okay, fine. This is okay.
What you will do for this?